DEWALT 20V MAX XR Jigsaw DCS334P1. Honest review of the kit that cuts like a pro. You are mid-project, tracing a curved cut on a countertop or cabinet panel, and your jigsaw is dragging a cord across your workspace, snagging every few inches, throwing off your line. Or the blade chatters through the cut because the speed is fixed and the material keeps fighting back. That sharp friction sound when the cut goes wrong, you feel it instantly. You stop, realign, and lose your confidence in the line. Whether you are working a weekend renovation or a full installation job, that kind of small interruption quietly drains your focus and stretches a simple task into something genuinely frustrating. Have you ever finished a cut and immediately known it was slightly off? Most people have, and it happens more than it should. And here is the thing. It rarely stays as just one bad cut. One imprecise line leads to an awkward fit. An awkward fit means extra sanding, shimming, or worse, starting over entirely. That slow bleed of rework steals time you did not plan to spend. When the tool is fighting you rather than following you, the whole rhythm of a project collapses. You second-guess the next cut before you even started. Corded jigsaws limit your movement in tight spaces or on large panels. Budget cordless options often lack the power to stay smooth through dense material. And without proper speed control, the finish suffers. The vibration alone on cheaper saws makes accurate line following genuinely hard over time. You deserve a tool that keeps up with your intention, not one that turns a focused cutting session into a slow, corrective grind. Then everything changed. Here is what finally worked. The DEWALT 20V MAX XR Jigsaw DCS334P1 arrived as a complete kit built for exactly this kind of cutting frustration. Don't just pick any cordless jigsaw. Make sure it has a brushless motor with 4-position orbital action, so you never suffer through slow, rough, out-of-control cuts that ruin your material and your deadline again. The brushless motor runs efficiently through long sessions, and the orbital settings let you shift between fast, rough cuts and careful finish work instantly. It is not just more power, it is smarter, more responsive power that actually follows your hand. And that single shift changes everything about how a project feels from start to finish. After testing a few options, one thing became very clear. The DEWALT 20V MAX XR Jigsaw DCS334P1 brings together features that each solve a real frustration on their own, but together they create a noticeably different cutting experience. The variable speed trigger and dial give you up to 3,200 strokes per minute, which means you control the pace rather than chasing it. The bright LED work light and integrated dust blower keep your cut line clean and visible, even in dim corners or dusty workshops. The all-metal keyless blade clamp means a blade swap takes seconds, not minutes, and the No-Mar shoe cover protects finished surfaces without adding steps to your process. ShopSavvy rated it 8.3 out of 10, with a 9 out of 10 expert score, calling it a versatile and user-friendly tool. One verified buyer described it simply as making precise cuts, adding that the built-in light is awesome. A professional contractor praised the balance and rugged feel during heavy use. Realistic objection noted. It runs on battery, so keeping a spare charged makes sense for longer sessions. Which matters most to you right now? Comment 1 for precision, 2 for runtime, or 3 for ease of use. The DEWALT 20V MAX XR Jigsaw DCS334P1 turns frustrating, imprecise cuts into clean, confident results that hold up on any project, professional or personal. It is a complete kit ready to run from day one, and thousands of woodworkers, installers, and contractors already rely on it regularly. It only takes a moment to see whether it fits what you are working on. I have dropped the link in the description and pinned it in the comments, so just click and take a look for yourself. You deserve a jigsaw that genuinely keeps up with you. For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.